So C bar is a coplanar with the vector A bar is equal to minus I plus j plus k. B bar is equal to 2I plus k. A bar dot C bar equal to 7. C bar perpendicular to B bar. Then the value of 2 into modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square is what here? So it is a numerical problem here. Numerical problem because they are not giving any options here. It is a numerical problem here. Therefore, let us consider the vector C bar is equal to C1I plus C2j plus C3k. Here they given C bar is coplanar with vectors here. So C bar is coplanar with A bar and B bar. Therefore, A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar is equal to 0. So determinant of so minus 1, 1 and 1 here. Then 2, 0, 1, C1, C2, C3 that is equal to 0. Then expand it here, minus of 1 into 0 into C3 becomes a 0, minus of C2 into 1 becomes a C2 here. Minus of 1 here, 2 into C3, 2 C3, so C1 into 1 becomes a C1 here. Then a plus 1 into 2 into C2 becomes a 2 C2 and C1 into 0 becomes a 0. That is equal to 0. Therefore, minus of minus become plus here, plus C2, minus of 2C3, minus 2C3 here, minus into minus plus C1, then plus 2C2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, so C1 is there, so 2C2 plus C2 plus 2C2 becomes 3C2 here. Minus of 2C3, minus of 2C3 that is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Then they given A bar dot C bar is equal to 7 and A bar dot of C bar is equal to 7 implies here. A bar is this vector here, C bar is this vector. It's a dot product here. Minus 1 into C1 is a minus of C1 here. Then 1 into C2 becomes a C2 plus a C2. Then 1 into C3 becomes a C3 here plus a C3 is equal to 7 here. So take this one as equation number 3. And also they given a C bar perpendicular here. C bar perpendicular to B bar. C bar perpendicular to B bar. Therefore, so C bar dot of B bar is equal to 0 implies. So it's a dot product is a 0. So C bar and then this is a B bar here. 2 into C1 becomes 2C1. 2 into C1 here. Then there is no J term here. So 0 into C2 becomes a 0 plus 0 C2 here. Then 1 into C3 becomes a C3 plus C3 is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 3. Here it can say only C1 and C3 here. Therefore, solving 1 and 2 here, eliminate C2 here. Solving 1 and 2. Okay. Solving 1 and 2 here. So here C1 plus 3C2 minus 2C3 here is equal to 0. And here multiply this equation by 3 here. So multiply by 3 here, minus of 3C1 plus 3C2 and plus 3C3 is equal to 7 3s are 21 here. Then change the sign here, plus, minus, minus and minus, cancel these terms here. So 3c1 plus c1 becomes a 4c1 here. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus of 5c3 is equal to minus of 21 here. Take this one as equation number 4 here. Then solving 3 and 4 here. So solving equations 3 and 4. Here multiply this equation by 2 here because there is 4. So 2 2s are 4. 4c1 plus 2c3. 2 into c3 that is equal to 0. Then let 4c1 here. Minus of 5c3 is equal to minus of 21 here. Change the sign here. Minus plus and plus here. Then cancel it here. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. 7 c3 is equal to 21 here. Then c3 is equal to 3. The value of c3 is 3 here. So use the c3 in the equation 3 here. Therefore from 3. From equation 3 here to c1 and 3 here plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore c1 is equal to minus of 3 divided by 2 here. So c1 value is minus 3 upon 2. Next we want c2 also. Therefore substitute in the equation finish. Substitute c1 and c3. Okay. So from equation 2. From 2 here. So c1 is there. c1 is minus 3 by 2. Minus minus become plus 3 by 2 here. Then plus c2. So right here plus c2. Then c3 value is 3 here. Plus 3 is equal to 7 here. Take 3 right hand side here. 3 upon 2 plus c2 is equal to 7 minus 3 becomes 4 here. Take 3 by 2 right hand side here. So c2 is equal to 4 minus of 3 by 2 here. So 2 is here. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 becomes 5 here. Therefore c2 is equal to 5 divided by 2 here. C2 is 5 divided by 2. Here we want this one here 2 into modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar square here. Therefore a bar plus b bar plus the vector c bar is equal to a bar is this one here. I coefficient is minus 1 here. So right here minus of 1. B bar this one I coefficient is 2 here. So right here plus 2. And c1 is minus 3 by 2. So minus of 3 divided by 2 into I plus G bar is A bar again. J coefficient is 1 here. So right here 1. Here J, there is no J term here. So right here 0. And C2 is 5 by 2 here. So plus 5 by 2 into J here. Then plus. Here K coefficient is 1. So right here 1. Here K coefficient is 1 here. So plus 1 and C3 is 3 here. So plus 3 that is equal to, so 2 minus 1 is 1 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 1. So 1 by 2 into I here. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 5 plus 2 becomes 7 here. So plus 7 divided by 2 into J here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 becomes 5 plus 5k. 5k. It is A bar plus B bar plus C bar here. Then find its modulus here. So modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to root of 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 here. 7 by 2 square is 49 divided by 4 plus 25. Then this implies here squaring on both sides here. Therefore modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar, its square is equal to, here 4 is a LCM here. Therefore right here 4. Then 25 4s are 100. 100 plus 50. So 150 here. 150. Therefore, we want 2 times this one here. Therefore, this implies here. This implies so 2 into modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Its a square is equal to, so 150 divided by 2 here. This is equal to 75. The required value is 75. So 75 is the answer here. So there are 3 vectors here, a bar, b bar and c bar, and also they given r bar cross a bar equal to c bar cross of a bar, r bar dot b bar equal to 0, then r bar dot a bar is equal to what here? 4 options are there. So first take your r bar cross of a bar is equal to c bar cross of a bar. Take the term left side here. So r bar cross of a bar minus of c bar cross of a bar, that is equal to 0. A bar is a common factor here. So r bar minus of c bar cross of a bar is equal to 0. So you know that a bar cross b bar here, a bar cross b bar is equal to 0. If a bar cross b bar is 0, then a bar is parallel to the vector b bar here. Then only its a cross product is 0. Therefore, you can write here a bar is equal to lambda into the vector b bar here. So use the same result here. Its a cross product is 0 here. Hence r bar minus of c bar is equal to lambda into the vector a bar here. Take a minus c bar right hand side here. So r bar is equal to lambda a bar plus the vector c bar here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. And also they given here, and they given r bar dot of b bar is equal to 0 here. They already given here. But r bar is this here. So lambda into a bar plus c bar dot of b bar is equal to 0. Yes, lambda into a bar dot of b bar plus c bar dot of b bar is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda into a bar dot b bar, it's a dot product. 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Then 1 into 1 becomes 1 plus 1, and 1 minus 1 into, there is no k term here, so it becomes a 0. So plus 0. Then plus c bar dot of b bar, it's a dot product here. 1 into 1 becomes 1, so right here 1, and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 here, and minus 1 into, there is no k term here, so it becomes a 0, that is equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here, 2 lambda. 1 minus 2 minus 1, take minus 1 right hand side here, it is a minus of 1 here. Therefore lambda is equal to minus become plus here, plus 1. So lambda value is plus 1 divided by 2 here. So use this value in the 1 here. Therefore from 1 here, r bar is equal to 1 upon 2 into a bar. A bar is this here. So 1 plus I plus j minus of k plus c bar. C bar is this one. So right here I minus 2j minus of k. Therefore 2 is the LCM here. 2 LCM. So I plus j minus of k plus 2I minus 4j minus of 2k. Then I plus 2I becomes 3I, and j minus 4j minus of 3j minus k minus 2k minus of 3k divided by 2. 3 is the common factor here. So 3 by 2 into I minus j minus of k. Here we want r bar dot a bar here. So therefore r bar dot of a bar is equal to 3 by 2 is a constant here. Keep as it is. So this dot of this here. 1 into 1 becomes 1. Then 1 into minus 1 is a minus of 1 here. minus 1 into minus 1 gives a plus of 1 here. Okay, it's a dot product here, a bar dot of a bar. Therefore minus 1 plus 1 cancels here. Therefore the answer is 3 divided by 2 here. So second one is correct option here. 3 by 2 is the answer.